Hi guys, welcome to the Refreshing News Network. I've been very busy, but it's good to be back. I'm loving it. Now today's story, the critically endangered Hainan Gibbon is slowly bouncing back after 17 years of careful conservation. In 1970, there were just 10 of these monkeys left in the wild in a little island off the coast of China. Thanks to some very carefully planted fig plantations and the fact that some hunters have now turned conservationists, they've been able to track the animals, know the whereabouts, and the numbers have tripled. So they've gone from 10 to 30, another 20, and they go from critically endangered to just endangered. Beautiful stuff. None of these were gibbons, by the way, guys. It was just all chimps and gorillas. Not a gibbon in sight.